Hi, this is Team SNP and our extension's name is AltBrain. In this video, we are going to show how you can use this extension to supercharge your Cliq workplace and enhance productivity. Let us have a look at a live example through this channel called Python Discussions. So there is a conversation going on and the AltBrain bot is also part of it. As you can see, it is able to participate in the conversation. I had a doubt related to Python and I asked the same here. As soon as I asked, something cool happened. As I had expressed that I needed some help, the corresponding chat link was added to a widget with which other members in the organization could use and help to solve pending queries. You can access the widget here. It's called Quick Tricks, and as you can see, we now have one open thread. This is a doubt thread. The link of the corresponding chat has been put here. You can copy the link, whoever is visiting this widget, paste it here. And the link will directly redirect you to the message which is to be resolved. The link was automatically added to the widget using a natural language processing technique called semantic search. Using this, you have to only show certain intent and do not have to type the exact keywords as in classical systems. Let us go back to the channel. Here we are. As we can see, someone has already solved our problem. So let us let them know that the problem has now been solved. Let us go back to the widget. And you can now see that the widget has been automatically updated. Since the thread was solved, it has been removed from the open threads list. Normally, to do something like this, the user would manually have to go to the tasks section and add a task, but all that work has now been eliminated by using this extension. You can also click the how to tab here in the widget to see an explanatory video. Now, let us go back to the chat. Let us add this message to our AltBrain bot so that it is accessible in the future. Click on the three dots, click on more, and click add to AltBrain. This will execute the message action. You can post it here. The write status was successful. The message is now semantically searchable in the future. Now, assume that you're back after a long time and you have the same or similar doubt again, but don't remember exactly what you had typed the first time. Uh, we know that it was a Python doubt, so let us go to the channel. Let us try searching for, say, copying characters. No results. Nothing found. This is the problem, as you have to try different combinations to find that old message of yours or potentially scroll through a long conversation. But if you had added the message to AltBrain, you can simply read the message back. To do the same, mention the bot followed by your search query, which was copying characters. And voila, you have found what you were looking for. These are the responses returned from the AltBrain bot. Three potential responses have been returned, and immediately you can see that you have received the response which you were looking for, which is here. The similarity scores to the text message have also been provided. You have now found what you were looking for. This is the power of semantic search. You do not have to match search terms as in lexical search engines, but only the meaning has to be similar. You can also read and write messages privately by visiting the bot chat. Let us head over to that. This is the welcome message which you receive upon subscribing to the bot for the first time. It asks you to, it shows the ways in which you can use the bot. It also shows to get further tips to type something similar to hi. Let us type hi. When we typed hi, we received this message. So this is what I was explaining. Unlike a regular lexical search engine, we are using a semantic search engine, which makes recollecting old messages very easy, and only the intent, the content meaning should be the same. The keywords themselves need not be the same. Now we can also add messages to the bot and retrieve messages from the bot using send and get keywords. Let us try that. Type send. A form pops up. Fill the details regarding the new entry which you want to add to AltBrain. So I'm going to type Python is a great programming language for beginners. You can also select a few options here which will auto forward the message, making your life easier. We are writing, so the desired action is to be set to write. Click on go. This is now searchable and you can see that it has been sent to the selected chats and channels. The write status was also a success. You can post it here. Now type read. Type a similar query. As we know, only the meaning has to be similar. I'm going to go with which is a good to get started with. I'm using sentences with different keywords. Let us see how the application performs. Read. Desired action is read. I don't want to forward this response, so I'm not going to select any option. Click on go. We have received a set of possible responses, and the exact response we are looking for is also present in it, right here, which we had just added. This was about AltBrain and how you can use it. The semantic search engine is running on an Azure virtual machine, and the bot communicates with it via API requests to perform these functionalities. Code for the same can be found in this GitHub repo. The integrations in this extension are bots, message actions, widgets, functions, and databases. So use AltBrain now to supercharge your Cliq environment and member productivity. Thank you.